Welcome back. Well, coming up in just a few days is the South County Senior Summit, and this year it's entitled Back to the Future, Aging and Dementia. Today we have on Supervisor Lisa Bartlett, who's been a part of this for many years, and we also have Dr. Kerry Bernide, and I'd like to welcome both of you here today. Good to see you.
Great, thank you. It's great to be back again.
Yeah, and we were just talking that I had gone up to the International Festival at Soka University, and that's where this is taking place this year.
Yes, well, our Senior Summit has grown every year.
Yeah.
And for the last couple of years, we've been getting a few hundred more each year, so we need a larger venue. So this year, we are excited to have our Senior Summit at Soka University this Friday, May 17th from 8 to 12:30.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful venue. I had never been up there before, but I went up there for the International Festival, and they had all the different auditoriums and Performing Arts Center and all those open, and it's really, it's a stunning place. It is really nice up there.
Yes, it's going to be a great venue for our expanded Senior Summit. We've got great topics of conversation. We'll have a lot of vendors, a lot of free giveaways, complimentary breakfast and lunch, as always. And we have a complimentary concert after the Senior Summit this year. Yes, but we do encourage everyone to carpool from Laguna Woods over to Soka University.
All right, and there's parking throughout the area there, and because that would be a regular college day, or is college over there? I think it's probably done. So it should be pretty open over there, because that's right there. Being a university, I think they're end about this week.
I think they're just ending the semester there, so it's good timing.
Yeah, it is. And Kerry, always good to see you. You're going to be there, and if I'm correct, you're a gerontologist?
That's right.
All right. And you've been with us on and off for many different things over the years.
Yes, I am a big fan of the program. And yeah, for 20 years, I was a professor in geriatric medicine at UCI, and really active in preventing elder abuse and financial exploitation. And now I'm working with a company trying to really encourage our very best aging. And what's so great about this event is that's exactly what we'll be giving the information about. So I'm delighted to be a part of this.
And again, the theme is aging and dementia. And the point is, while you're aging, it's to kind of stave that off and be active, keep your mind active, keep yourself active. And the Senior Summit has always been about that, right, Lisa?
Well, active seniors are happy seniors, and vice versa. So it's important, especially in our older years in life, that we keep active mentally and physically. It makes for a better person, and longevity is important as we get into our senior years, and making sure that we're able to take advantage of the golden years.
Yeah. Now, who are some of the guests that are going to be there, besides Kerry, of course, that are some of your guest speakers?
We have a number of speakers, and I'm kind of blanking out at the moment on some of our speakers.
You probably have Dan Perdale, right, from Emeritus? Is he going to be there this year?
I believe we do have somebody from Saddleback Emeritus who's going to be speaking as well.
And they've been
and they're actually on the screen right now. They're listed.
Oh, there they are. Okay, there we are. I was looking at some of the photos that you sent along, and so really, I like, you've got somebody talking about keeping your brain fit, and Project Iris. Am I reading that right? Iris OC. So is that eye care? That's one I haven't heard of before, that person. A lot of these other people I have, and you'll always have a good variety of guest speakers there, and it usually goes to, what, about noon or 12:30 or so, so you keep it kind of moving and a lot going on.
Right, it goes till 12:30, yes.
Okay. Now, you mentioned, and I want to make sure I heard this right, there's going to be like a help robot there? Did you say something about that?
I think the supervisor was talking about some exciting health robots.
Yes, one of our vendors is bringing a special help robot that you can interact with. And technology is part of our daily life. And to be able to interact with a special help robot, I think is going to be exciting for our seniors.
Yeah, I've seen something like this where they're almost like a little droid type thing. And you can go up and ask them. I've seen them at a couple shopping malls that act as, believe it or not, they act as security, but then you can go up and go, where is this store? And it'll tell you where it's at, because by you know, they know exactly where they're at by GPS and go, oh, go down this way and you can find that store. So it sounds like this is going to be something like that that's going to help you out.
Yes. There's
That's
just
cool.
amazing revolution going on right now, and all our participants are really going to get to be a part. And the information that we're sharing is cutting edge research on how to keep our brains sharp, and it is more powerful than any medication that we currently have, and it's something every one of us can do. So I can't wait to share this information, different from any other summit that we've had. It is the real, like, those in the know will have been to this to find out what's new.
Yeah, that sounds really fun. It's always been a good event. And it starts at 8. Now, you mentioned you have a breakfast there. Do people need to come earlier for that?
I would come a little bit early. We'll have a
Okay.
special designated area for breakfast, and everything is complimentary. And then after the senior summit, they will be served a complimentary lunch and then a free concert.
That'll
And
be
of course,
nice.
we also have a lot of our giveaways. So this year, one of our special giveaways is what we call the Grand Pad, which is an iPad that's specially programmed for seniors. And that's
And
just
Kerry's
one of,
talked about that before.
yes,
Yep,
and that's
see
just
that.
one of our many giveaways this year.
Very nice.
Yeah, what's neat about the GrandPad giveaway is that it is for life. So all the data is free. It includes phone,
Oh, nice.
email. It works everywhere. It has 30 million songs, and it is designed by and for older adults. It is the ultimate in sophistication without any of the headaches.
Very good. So great day. And again, this is this Friday, so just a few days away from 8 o'clock to 12:30 over at Soka University. And you can find out more about that online. But you have another event. You sent something to me on June 5th, the Laguna Woods Benefit, the Laguna Woods, I'm going to read this right, Laguna Woods Benefit Enrollment Event. So tell me about that.
Yes, that is going to be June 5th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Laguna Woods City Hall.
Okay.
And basically geared towards all of our seniors in Laguna Woods specifically to learn about our county services that we have, because many of our seniors that live here may be eligible for a lot of our special benefit programs.
Right.
And we want to be able to reach out to those seniors specifically to tell them about some of our benefit programs that they may be eligible to enroll in.
Okay, and that's a very good thing to find out because, as you said, there is a lot there if people need to know where to seek those out.
Yes.
And that benefit will be on June 5th to find out about these benefits. And I know what's really nice here, our own Senior Services Department more and more is working with the Senior Services Department out of Orange County. They're bringing in different resources together, so it's great because it benefits everyone.
Yes, and I know that for a lot of the seniors, it's hard for them to get up to the Hall of Administration in Santa Ana.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the positive thing about our Senior Services Day on June the 5th is that we are coming to the seniors.
Yeah.
All they've got to do is come to Laguna Woods between 9 and 3 and ask all the questions and see what many services we have to offer for our seniors.
Yeah, and there are a lot, and again, that will be at City Hall on that
Yes.
day. We'll mention that again as we get closer to the date, but the important thing is the South County Senior Summit is happening this Friday at Soka University. It is from 8 until 12:30, and they do need to RSVP?
Yes, there is a
okay.
website to RSVP at ocseniorsummit.com.
Okay, and that's good. They want to know how many people are going to be there because they serve you some food, they got prizes and all kinds of things they want to prepare for you. It's always a great event.
Right, and they can always call our office if they have any questions. But we look forward to seeing everyone this Friday and then again on June the 5th.
All right, thank you both for coming on. Good to
Thank
see
you.
you.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back.